There was a talk na magkakaroon ulit o mabubuhay yung impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte. That's an ongoing talk. But of course, meron din mga looming discussion doon naman sa magiging tadhana ni President Bongbong Marcos, which is there will be an impeachment case against him din daw. Do you see that as well?
Well, yeah, it's possible, anything is possible in 2026. Pero I think between the two impeachment cases, kung mas malapit siguro sa katotohanan yung posibleng pagpa-file ng panibagong impeachment complaint against the Vice President. Yun talaga mas posible yun, compared to the possibility that an impeachment complaint can be filed against the President. Kasi I think at this point, even though marami na nag-iisip that the President has become a lame duck leader, he continues to enjoy a significant, the support of a significant number of congressmen. Doon naman nag-uumpisa yung impeachment complaint, doon fina-file, tapos itutuloy na lamang sa Senado during the trial. So I think the President continues to enjoy the support of the majority of the congressmen. Kaya posible na mangyari yung pagpa-file ng impeachment complaint by February.
That's right.
As mentioned by the Supreme Court.